Hello everyone, it's Dr. Desiree Alexander, aka Educator Alexander, and here is your 5-minute tip for this week. So I want to show you a new add-on that I learned about on Google Drive that will help you record audio very quickly. It'll automatically go to your Google Drive and then you can of course throw it into a Google Slide wherever you want to use it. Let's get started. So I'm in my Google Drive and I'm going to click on the new button and I'm going to go to more and I'm going to go to connect more apps. So when I click that, the App Store is going to come up and I'm going to search for Cloud Audio, if I can spell, Recorder. So the very first one, Cloud Audio Recorder. So here it is right here. I'm going to click on it. Of course, if you want to look at the reviews and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to do an install. Now, you will see only one button that says install. The reason I have two is because I'm a Google admin. So I'm not going to install it for like every account on my Google admin. I'm just going to install it for myself. So I'm going to click install. But again, you should only see one button that says install. So then I'm going to click continue and then give it all the rights. I'm going to click continue, of course, read through everything if you would like to. I'm going to say yes, it can do everything, and I'm going to hit continue again. All right, so make Cloud Audio Recorder the default app for files it can open. I'm going to uncheck that for now. If you want to make it the default app where it's going to open up all of your like MP3s, you can do that. I'm going to say no and click OK. So it's installed. Woohoo! So it shows me that it's under the app launcher, open with, and it shows me kind of a little bit of how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and exit that off. I always refresh the screen every time I add something just to make sure that everything connects properly and I'm good to go. So I'm going to come back to the new button. I'm going to go to more and you can see that I now have Cloud Audio Recorder. Now, if I wanted to use it maybe in a different app or something like that, they're saying that it should be listed under here. I'm just going to use it how I'm going to use it, Cloud Audio Recorder. So it's not fancy looking, but it will record your audio. So I'm going to click start. And this is going to come up the very first time, so you can tell it what you want it to record. I don't know why that came up, but to tell it that it's okay for it to listen to your voice and what microphone do you want to use and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to say allow every time I'm using it. All right, and now it is recording my voice. So notice the duration is right here. So it's just recording. So I'm going to click stop, or I can click pause. So I'm just going to click stop. And then notice I can export as an MP3. Also, they give you some information up here, like you can record. There's no recording time limit. You can record more than 20 minutes. Just be careful if you're recording that long on a free tool. It's probably going to mess up, but you can always try it. But I'm just going to export as an MP3. And then where do I want to save it? I'm going to save it directly to my Google Drive because I want to use this, for example, in a Google Slide. So I'm going to say just save directly to my Google Drive. So notice it says, hey, my audio recording, this is the actual title of it. If I want to put it in a folder, I do suggest doing that, or you're going to have a lot of just random audio recordings hanging out in your Google Drive. So I do suggest creating a folder for it. So select folder to save in my Google Drive. I'm not going to do it right now just because I didn't create a folder, but I do suggest creating a folder. You can click on here and put all of your audio files in one folder, if that makes sense. So I'm going to click cancel here, but I'm just going to save to my Google Drive. So it's going to tell me if it's uploaded to Drive. Woohoo! And I can go ahead and view it if I would like to. I'm just going to go back to my Drive. I'm going to exit right here. And I'm going to come back to my Drive and look for my audio recording. Woohoo! So I'm going to click here. All right, and now it is recording. Yay! So now that I have it in my Google Drive, of course, it's going to be super easy to throw it into my Google Slide, because if you're trying to add audio to your Google Slide, it has to be in your Google Drive. So this is a really very, very quick way to create your audio file, put it directly in your Google Drive, and it's ready to go for your Google Slide. Good luck.